think they know how to do something, and for the most part, it gets them along just fine. However, what they don't know or may not understand is that there might be a better way of doing it. Take me, for instance. I do not like sticky. My kids, 2 little boys, they don't mind sticky. Mommy cleans it up. So when they're eating a banana and they're holding on to it, their little hands, it gets all over their hands. There's banana peel everywhere. Sticky little handprints go and everything. Toys, cups, chairs, everywhere. And it's not pleasant and it's not easy to clean up. So my dad, being the brilliant chemist that he is, decided he was going to help me. You see, most people decide to peel their bananas from the stem to the bottom. Well, that's when the trouble happens, because you see at the bottom here, there's nothing holding it together. So it peels off and you end up having peel everywhere. Not very pleasant. So after you're done peeling it, you have this fruit, the meat of the banana, and it's quite sticky. It has juice in it, and it's sticky juice. And it gets on your hands, and it gets from your hands to everything else, which is where the problem lies. Well, my dad figured out that the way you're supposed to peel a banana is to turn it over and start here at the bottom. If you start at the bottom of the banana and you peel it down like so, you end up having this nice little handle here. So you peel the banana from the bottom like so, and then when you get to the bottom here, at the very bit, just that little bit right there, you have a handle that you don't have to get your sticky fingers all over the meat of the banana. So, no sticky hands means no sticky toys, chairs, cups, no sticky mess to clean. It's really great. The other thing is that you have this nice handle that holds all of the banana peel. No banana peel mess to clean up. So, you may not understand completely that there might be a better way of doing something, but if you look and you find, if you do a little research, you can find that the sticky and the nasty and the all-around dirtiness can be easily avoided by flipping something over and looking at it from a new perspective. Because after all, cleanliness is happiness and next to godliness. Thank you.